Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I have this 2 pounds of minced beef, and I have cabbage, carrots, ginger, green onions, peppers, hot peppers, garlic, with a little bit of salt. All that is going in there, and I'm going to just blend it up a few times. But first, let me chop those veggies and then add it to the blender. Okay, oh my god, look how beautiful that is. I'm loading up my mince with all natural ingredients except for salt. Salt is natural too, but I'm talking about spices. I'm just going to go with the green peppers and ginger to give it some kick, a little bit of heat, and garlic. So we have everything ready. Yes, I added some fresh cilantro. You can use dry oregano if you want. So this is ready for the food processor. I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Alrighty, see that? Oh my god, I love the colors. Okay, so I just wanted the mince to be combined with everything, make it one with it, all the ingredients. So that's how I'm going to do the rest of it too, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, my dears, we're done running the meat through the processor. You can see this one looks a little bit of red. That's because there are more red peppers on that side. That looks more purple because in that batch there was more of purple cabbage, and this one has more green peppers and cilantro and green onions. So I have a combination of 3 beautiful flavorful meat patties, and now what I'm going to do is to combine it all together. I'm going to use my hands, so I know some of you might not like to see my hands doing that, so I'm going to stop and then come back again. Okay, I have mixed it, added salt to it, and I added some crushed cumin. If you're not a cumin person, forget about it. You don't have to do it. So there you go. It's ready. Now you know what I'm gonna make with it? Take a guess. Nope. I'm not making kebabs. I'm not making any kind of kebabs or patties. I'm going to make kofta out of it. And it's gonna be some healthy kofta. This is very untraditional way of doing it. And traditional desi kofta have a lot of spices and so much other stuff in it, but I'm going with all natural and it's gonna be yummy. And yes, I'm not adding any egg to it either, just like that. Okay, now I'm done with those. There's still some left, and I'm going to make those fairly big size koftas, and then I'm going to fry them a little bit. Not really fry, but I'm just going to cook them on the stove top, or you can bake them, or you can freeze them just like that if you want. So this is make ahead kofta, and I'll be using some of them tonight for dinner. I'll boil some spaghetti, and we will have spaghetti and those yummy healthy meatballs. So let me finish this and I'll be back. I'm done over here. I have one little mini over there that I'm going to use for tasting purpose, and the rest are done. They're sitting here, so I'm going to heat up my non-stick, put a little bit of oil in it, and fry them. So you can see the pan is heating up, and I did not add too much oil, just cover the bottom, and now it's almost okay. I think another 30 seconds, then I would place it. It's nice and warm now, but I need another 30 seconds. I don't want to burn them as soon as I put them in. I want them to start cooking slowly. So when I placed them in the oil came up a little bit. Now I'm going to keep turning the sides. Oh, it smells so good in here. I cannot explain it to you. All that yummy stuff in there. The cilantro, the peppers, the cabbage. Oh my god, it smells amazing in here. I turned them on the side, some of them. Then there was more room, so I did few more in the back. And this side, I'm going to keep turning the sides until they are cooked from all sides. See, the more I put in there, the more the oil comes up, and they also release the fats that were in the mince. It's all coming out. So those are the ones I just added, and those are the ones I'm going to check out in a few minutes. And there was no need for besan or chane or khashkhash or garam masalas or anything. So try it this way. Now once they are done, we are going to freeze them and use them whenever we are ready to do our thing. Okay, ji, we're done with our kofte. They're nice. They're not overcooked. I did not overcook them. Do not overcook your kebab meat or kofte meat because it gets too dry. So I'm going to let them cool down and then they will go in the freezer. Make sure they cool down first. So here is one for you. Look at that little masterpiece. Doesn't it look pretty? Let me break it open for you. You can see how nice and soft it is from inside. See that? Alrighty, see that? Don't tell me that's not healthy. That's so good for you and your kids. You got loaded koftas with all the good stuff. No eggs, no besan, no chane, no khashkhash, no garam masalas. This is just amazing. It's nice and it's soft. It's cooked and it's going to go in the freezer, and whenever you're ready, take them out. That's it.